The difference is in the details you don't see until you open the door. They say the devil is in the details, but so is the dirt.
Road salt and Florida humidity are a silent killer for your door jams.
This Jeep Grand Cherokee Summit Reserve has seen better days. Layered in road film and iron deposits, the paint has lost its soul. Even these 21-inch wheels are hidden under a thick coat of brake dust. Inside, the sanctuary has become a storage unit for daily life. But at Paul's Details 904, we don't just clean, we restore. Total transformation, from the fibers of the carpet to the diamond-stitched leather. Decontaminated, disinfected, pure luxury regained. We even prepped your lenses. Behold the glow. Hand-washed, waxed, and locked in with Resist-All paint protection. Finished with a ceramic spray seal for that deep liquid glass reflection. Protect your investment. Visit paulsdetails904.com or call 904-228-074 for your free quote.